What's up? I'm back, double upload, and back with the clickbait. There ain't no flood. What you talking about? There ain't no flood. Of course not, bro. No, never. It right? But there ain't no flood. Trying to get subscribers, and likes, and views. But with me, that probably ain't gonna work. Just saying. I'm agree. But I wanted to do this video because, well, basically, I want you to get to know me if you don't know me. Well, for example, I go Camp Creek. Says it on the shirt. Camp Creek Bears. Yeah, they suck, but still, I mean, go there. And I play football, basketball, and baseball. I don't know if you see me there, but anyway, I play football, basketball, and baseball. Basketball's my favorite, and I'm 13. I'll turn 14 here in like 5 months. But anyway, um, I'm just eighth grade now. It's really all about me. I mean, you at least want to know that, I guess. But yeah, man, I like YouTube now. I mean, I've always liked YouTube, just not about the uploading. I just didn't feel comfortable and like I was a little, nervous about it. But now it's like, it's alright, I guess, I mean, why not? Maybe. Oh, awesome. One thing, no one nothing about me. I'm a savage. Get over it. I'm a savage. Don't say I'm not, because I'm a savage. I know people are probably like, you're not a savage, blah, blah. I'm a savage. I'm a savage. Oh, don't lie. I mean, I don't know if this video would probably be long. I don't know. Oh, but I just hope my channel grows at least like by the end of this week. I'd like to have like 10 subscribers. I mean, that sounds like crap, but still, to me, it'd be really good. Made me happy. But still, want to be a good person. Shout out to Lucid Revival, King Savage, or whatever. Go subscribe to him. He does like somewhat of vlogs, gaming videos, stuff like that. I'll probably put his link in the description. I don't know. I'll do it probably. But that's basically my video. I mean, I might sit here for a little bit longer. Just, well, not really sitting. But, I mean, I got this lemonade. Mm. I know you like hearing me. So, but I live in Tennessee. Tennessee. Yeah. It's a pretty crappy state, but it's fine. Yeah. Hate school. Hate school. Such a boring video. I'd say some people watching this probably thinking, it's so cringy. So cringy. Especially probably right now. Cringy. Cringy. It's probably, oh well. I got no life. No life. No. Yeah. I'm dumb. There's another thing now. We're dumb. But I should. I don't know. I'll probably. See, I don't know. I might have a basketball video up sometime, but I don't know if we'll go outside of school because it's the only chance I have somebody to record. But sort of people got in trouble, so I don't know if we'll go outside anymore. But I want to make a video really bad on like basketball and stuff, like a little basketball game. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, might do that. Comment if you like basketball. Comment your favorite sport. I know probably won't make anybody watching, but still, I don't care who you are. Comment. But I know you probably TV my girl know well. But I won't get off here, I guess. Gotta do my outro. And it's probably cringy too. Oh well. I don't care, you know? Dead end. Anyway. Let's get this outro going. But it's your boy Young Fresh, you once again. We out here. We're gonna leave this. Peace.